Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to explain breast milk hand expression and how mothers can use this simple method in a safe and practical way. Hand expression is a technique where you use your hands to remove milk instead of a pump. It can be useful in the early days, when you need a quick method, or when a pump is not available. Before you start, always wash your hands properly and sit in a clean, comfortable place. A relaxed environment helps your body respond more easily. You can begin by gently massaging the breast for a minute or two. This helps prepare the body and may support better milk flow. Some mothers also use a warm cloth for a short time before starting. Now place your thumb above and your fingers below the darker area around the center, forming a C shape. Press gently back toward the chest, then compress forward. This motion helps release milk in a natural way. Try to keep a slow and steady rhythm. Avoid pulling or squeezing too hard. A gentle press and release movement is more effective and comfortable. At first, milk may not come out immediately, and that is normal. Your body may take a few minutes to respond, so stay calm and patient. If needed, collect the milk in a clean container. Make sure the container is properly cleaned before use. Hand expression is a helpful skill because it does not require any equipment and can be done anytime. With regular practice, it becomes easier and more effective. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.